Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a zipper to make a musical beat. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to make a little bit of a musical beat using a zipper, really easy to do. I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to do that. So basically, there are a couple of things that are going to determine the musical beat and the sound that you get to make with the zipper. So basically, you can use these factors to create your musical beat, and these factors are going to determine what that musical beat sounds like and the zipper sounds that it creates. Okay, the sounds that the zipper itself creates. So basically, the two factors essentially that are going to determine the sounds that your zipper creates are the direction and the speed. So the direction gives a subtle difference in terms of the zipper sound. So listen closely as I zipper down at a slow speed and up at a slow speed. You can hear a subtle, very subtle difference. Here's down at a slow speed, and here's up at a slow speed. Little bit of a different sound, okay? And we can also do the same thing faster at a fast speed. So we're going to go down quickly and up quickly. Okay, so I mean, to be honest with you, sometimes I can't even hear the difference in terms of down and up. Obviously, the speed makes a difference. You know, down. Like I'll go slowly and quickly going down. So we'll change up the speed. So slowly and quickly going down to change up the speed. And then slowly and quickly going up to change up the speed. So obviously the speed makes a very distinctive difference, but the direction going up or down, the difference is subtle. And to be honest with you, sometimes I think the difference in direction, I think it almost makes the same sound, but the way we zip up and down is different. So, basically the speed is the main factor that is going to determine the difference in sound, but the direction is also almost like a supporting factor, because the direction will we zipper up and down differently. We zip up and down differently, so the direction is going to basically be like a supporting factor in making a different sound. So with that being said, think about it that way. The speed and the direction will determine the sound that you are creating. Okay. Now basically what you want to do is you want to create a beat by sort of going up and down at different speeds. And the idea for myself is that you only have, like, let's say, give yourself a little range. Like, this is the highest that I'm going to zip up my zipper, okay, when I make the beat. And this is probably the lowest, about right here, that I'm going to zip down my zipper when I make the beat. So that's my range. And I'm going to work within that range to create a musical beat. So just listen closely and I'll create a simple beat. I lost the zipper there, but one other thing I'm doing is I'm holding on to the fabric here. So basically, I'm keeping the vest nice and straight so the zipper has a nice smooth track to go onto, obviously. And obviously you want to choose a zipper that is, that, like, I have all this range and I'm very far from, like, you don't want the zipper to get caught. For instance, I don't want my zipper to get caught in my beard hair or anything like that. So even at the highest point that I'm going to zip up, I'm far away from anything that it's going to get caught in. So just always keep that in mind too, that you want to do this in a zipper situation that's safe, that's comfortable, that basically you can work in that range and you cannot get it caught on anything. You cannot get cause yourself to get hurt or injured or whatever. Just basically always make sure you're being as safe as possible and keeping safety at the front of your mind. But yeah, I'm going to create another beat really quickly. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just pitched like that one part. If you just come to this video and you're just watching that one part and you see this guy, I don't know, I'm late 30s. I'm almost 40 at the time of filming this. I'm 38 and a half at the time of filming this. You see this almost 40-year-old, bearded, loud voiced person sitting in his van in a parking lot, dancing as he makes a zipper beat. If you just watch that clip without seeing any other parts of the video, I feel like it would be absolutely hilarious and absolutely ridiculous. You're like, what on earth is happening in that van? But just looking at the viewfinder, whatever it's called, that screen on the camera. Anyways, all jokes aside, those are the factors that you can use to create a zipper beat. Now, obviously, as I said before, and I'll say it one last time, just going to really place emphasis on this one last time. Make sure that when you are zipping up and down, that when you're creating your zipper beat, that whenever you're using your zipper, you are doing so in an absolutely safe situation. Make sure safety is at the forefront of your mind. Make sure you're comfortable doing it. Make sure you're safe doing it, and make sure you're just zipping up and down and creating that zipper beat in an absolutely safe situation. As I went over the example with my bearder, but you get the idea. Just make sure you're as safe as possible. Use your judgment and make sure safety is at the forefront of your mind. Safety is at the front of your mind. I'm not even sure if that was the right word, but safety is just right there at the front of your mind. Make sure you're thinking about safety first all the time. And that's basically it. That's how to create a musical beat with a zipper. I've gone over the factors that will come into play with regards to what it's going to sound like, and I've sort of made a few quick and easy beats to show you some examples. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. But yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.